Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting the aperture. Trace a compact flower of 5 to 8 petals on black cardstock and carve a neat central hole 3 to 8 mm wide. Use a small flashlight behind the template to check symmetry. Once done, fix the card flush to your lens with tape or a snug rubber band so no stray light leaks in. You want a crisp silhouette. Misalignment blurs the flower shape, so adjust until it sits centered over the front element. You now configure the scene. Open to the widest aperture your lens allows, f/1. 8 to f/4 to maximize bokeh rendering. Position small point lights or reflective highlights several meters behind your subject. Moving them farther creates larger, more distinct flower shapes. Then switch to manual focus and deliberately defocus the frame until the background highlights resolve into petals. Make sure to finish by refining distance and alignment. Move your subject closer to the camera and lights further back to sharpen the flower outlines. If shapes look soft, tighten the template to the lens and ensure petals are evenly cut. Small irregularities distort the bokeh. Once you have a pleasing look, fine-tune shutter and ISO for proper exposure. If highlights turn into blobs instead of flowers, increase defocus slightly and confirm the aperture hole diameter suits your lens. Smaller hole equals crisper petals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.